Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams with Wi-Fi in 2024? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams with Wi-Fi in 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Rove R3 dash cam front and rear with cabin, 3 IPS touchscreen, 3-channel dash cam, 1440p, 1080p, 1080p car camera with our night vision, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS. The Rove R3 dash cam is an advanced car camera system designed to enhance your driving safety and provide comprehensive coverage of your journeys. Featuring a sleek 3 IPS touchscreen, this dash cam offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate through its settings and playback options. This dash cam is equipped with 3 high-definition channels, 1440p for the front and 1080p for both the rear and cabin views. This multi-channel recording ensures that you capture every critical angle around your vehicle, providing clear and detailed footage in case of incidents or accidents. The inclusion of infrared night vision technology ensures that the camera performs exceptionally well even in low-light conditions, making nighttime driving safer and more secure. With 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, the Rove R3 allows for seamless transfer of footage to your smartphone or other devices, enabling quick and easy sharing or reviewing of videos. Additionally, the built-in GPS function logs your driving route and speed, providing valuable data that can be crucial in the event of a dispute or insurance claim. The Rove R3 is designed with durability and reliability in mind, featuring a robust build that can withstand various driving conditions. Its advanced features such as loop recording, G-sensor for automatic emergency recording, and parking mode ensure that you are covered in all scenarios. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, the Rove R3 dash cam offers peace of mind with its comprehensive coverage, high-quality recording, and user-friendly design. Invest in the Rove R3 for a safer and smarter driving experience. Number 2. Dashcam front and rear 4K built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, dual dashcam front 4K rear 1080p, hidden dash camera for cars, free 64 GB SD card, super night vision. The dashcam front and rear 4K is a top-tier dual dash camera system designed for comprehensive coverage and superior video quality. Featuring a front camera that records in stunning 4K resolution and a rear camera that captures 1080p HD footage, this dash cam ensures every detail is recorded with exceptional clarity. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for seamless connectivity and easy access to footage via your smartphone. The package includes a free 64 GB SD card, providing ample storage for your recordings. Enhanced with super night vision, this dash cam excels in low light conditions, ensuring clear and detailed footage even at night. Its discreet design allows it to blend seamlessly into your car, avoiding any distractions while driving. Ideal for enhancing your vehicle's security and capturing vital evidence in case of accidents, this dash cam offers reliability and top-notch performance for all drivers. Number 3. Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam, STARVIS 2 IMX678 night vision, 4K 1080p 1080p front, inside, and rear triple car camera, voice control, GPS, 4K HDR. Introducing the ultimate in driving security and convenience, the dash cam front and rear 4K with built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This dual dash cam system features a front camera that captures stunning 4K Ultra HD footage and a rear camera that records in crisp 1080p. Whether you're driving during the day or night, this dash cam ensures you capture every detail with exceptional clarity. One of the standout features of this dash cam is its superior night vision capability. Thanks to advanced sensor technology and high-quality lenses, the camera performs excellently in low-light conditions, providing clear and detailed footage even in complete darkness. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for seamless connectivity with your smartphone, making it easy to view, download, and share your recordings on the go. No more hassle with cables and complicated transfer processes. Additionally, the package includes a free 64 GB SD card, ensuring you have ample storage space for your recordings right out of the box. Designed with discretion in mind, this hidden dash camera blends seamlessly with your car's interior, providing uninterrupted recording without drawing attention. Ensure your safety and security on the road with the dashcam front and rear 4K, the perfect companion for every journey. Number 4. Redtiger 4K 3-channel dashcam 5G Wi-Fi built-in GPS with 64 GB card, 2160p 1080p 1080p front and rear inside loop recording, triple car camera with 3-inch. Introducing the Redtiger 4K 3-channel dashcam, a top-tier device designed for comprehensive vehicle surveillance. This advanced dashcam features 5G Wi-Fi and built-in GPS, ensuring seamless connectivity and precise tracking of your journeys. The package includes a 64 GB card, providing ample storage for your recordings. The dashcam records in stunning 4K 2160p for the front camera and 1080p for both the rear and inside cameras, capturing every detail with crystal clarity. Its triple camera system ensures complete coverage, monitoring the road ahead, behind, and inside your vehicle simultaneously. The 3-inch display offers easy navigation and playback of recordings, while the loop recording feature ensures continuous recording by overwriting old footage. Ideal for enhancing your driving security and documenting your travels, the Redtiger 4K 3-channel Dashcam is a must-have for every car owner seeking reliable and high-quality video recording. Number 5. Redtiger 4K Dashcam front and rear, touchscreen 3.18-inch, 64 gigabytes card included, car dash camera, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, G21 60p night vision, WDR parking. Introducing the Redtiger 4K Dashcam, your ultimate solution for capturing every moment on the road with unparalleled clarity. Equipped with a 3.18-inch touchscreen, this advanced Dashcam offers a user-friendly interface for effortless navigation and settings adjustments. With its ultra-high-definition 2160p resolution, the Redtiger ensures that every detail is captured in stunning clarity, whether you're driving during the day or at night. This Dashcam includes both front and rear cameras, providing comprehensive coverage and peace of mind. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS functionality allow for seamless data transfer and precise location tracking. You can easily access your footage and share it with others, all from the convenience of your smartphone. The Redtiger 4K Dashcam also features superior night vision and wide dynamic range WDR technology, ensuring excellent performance in varying light conditions. Included with the Dashcam is a 64 gigabytes memory card, providing ample storage for your recordings. Designed with parking mode, it protects your vehicle even when you're away. Enhance your driving experience and safeguard your journey with the Redtiger 4K Dashcam.